guys, this is Aarohi Gupta from Crazy Jazz and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you a few ways from which you can stop your hiccups. First of all, I'm going to tell you some superstitions which people believe in. If you're getting hiccups, someone is remembering you. So will you call every single person to see who is remembering you? Arey, hum to abhi aapko yaad hi kar rahe the. That doesn't mean anything. It's just superstition. Nobody does that, and it is not the reason you get hiccups. It is because of the food is getting stuck between the place where the separation is happening between the lungs and your abdomen. So basically, what all can you do to stop the hiccups? The first way you can stop the hiccups is you can stop breathing.
I'm sorry, can you stop breathing so loud, honey? He's like...
Second way is that you can try breathing heavily or forcefully through your mouth. The third way is like a yoga pose. So you have to touch your knee to your chest and then lay down like this.
I woke up, look in the mirror today.
Thank you guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're new and you ring the bell icon as well. You will share this video with most people and you will comment down what should be the next video about, because I feel that I am losing ideas. So you can help me out. Bye guys.